Hey everyone, it's Dr. Blake the Cooking Doc. Today I'm introducing you to one of my favorite new kitchen gadgets, the air fryer. Amazing. We're going to fry some French fries today. Stay tuned. Man, I'm looking for some comfort food this week. What about you? When I look for comfort food, I look for fried. I look for chocolate. I look for salty. So you're probably in the same boat. I know a lot of people are really searching for comfort food these days. And we're going to go with French fries. But we're going to go with air fried French fries. And I'm going to introduce you to my favorite new kitchen gadget. As I said, this is the air fryer. An air fryer works like a countertop convection oven. It circulates air quickly around the food to cook it. So instead of submerging the food in hot oil, the items in the basket in the air fryer are baked by the heat flowing from the air around them. This gives you the opportunity to eat some of your favorite fried foods without the unhealthy problems with the fat. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you never miss a new recipe or a new health tip. Click the subscribe button, click the bell. Today we're going to make spiced air fried French fries. I like my French fries cut thin, almost shoestring style. I like them spiced, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, maybe a little bit of cayenne pepper. We're going to make these potatoes two ways, soaked and non-soaked. The soaked version is for everybody out there who has kidney disease and needs a low potassium diet. Potatoes are chock full of potassium, good for people without kidney disease, not so good for people who need a low potassium diet. So people with kidney disease, I've soaked these potatoes overnight, and that will help leach out a lot of the potassium in there. I have some questions about how they taste once you do that. Does it change the texture? Does it change the flavor? So we're going to do it two ways. We're going to find out the answer. Now I like my French fries relatively thin, so we are going to cut off one side like that. Cut it into thin little strips. Cut these into strips again. These are yellow potatoes, but you can use white potatoes. They turn out just as well. So we've got our fries that haven't been soaked and our fries that have been soaked. And we're going to do them both ways. And we're going to add to that about a teaspoon of olive oil. And then whatever spices you have around the house. So here are some of my faves. Paprika. This is smoked paprika. A few sprinkles, a little garlic, a few sprinkles, ancho chili powder, a little spicy, a little bit of onion powder, and just a sprinkling tiny bit of salt. A few crystals of kosher salt. Beautiful. Mix them up a bit. I'm going to put them on our little air fryer sheet. Left side, remind me this, left side not soaked. Now we've got our leached potatoes, and then we're going to spice them exactly the same way. We'll add these on the right side so we can tell the difference. We've got right side soaked, left side not soaked, and now let's pop it in that air fryer. We're going to let these cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'm going to flip them about halfway through. If your potatoes are thicker, you made it a little bit lower temperature to begin with, and let them cook a little bit longer. All right, let's see what we got. Look at these beauties. Golden brown, smell amazing. Now, let's see how these soaked fries turned out versus the non-soaked fries. Which side was which? Let's check the tape. We've got right side soaked, left side not soaked. And now, okay, all right, we got the right side is the soaked side. All right, so first, let's do a test of flavor and crunch, non-soaked side. There's really not much difference between the two sides as far as texture or flavor. Now if you want to get fancy, you can add a little bit of chopped parsley, a little Parmesan cheese. Now that is beautiful. Okay, y'all. It's 9 a.m. on a Sunday morning. I'm eating French fries, and I feel so much better about life. Thank you so much for watching today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Never miss a new video. Go to my website, thecookingdoc.co. Sign up for my weekly newsletter. Tips, recipes, fun, straight to your inbox. Do not sacrifice flavor when you're cooking for your health. I'm the Cooking Doc. This is Change Your Buds with the Cooking Doc. We'll see you next week.